So in this video, I'm going to clean the filter of this GE Cafe series dishwasher. This is the filter that needs to be opened. I'll just rotate it like this and take it down. Oh, that looks pretty gross. That's why it was smelling. And let me see if I can. So this is that overflow valve. I'll just wash it, and there is some more gunk and grime inside. I will clean that also, and then I'll put it back. So it's not that difficult to do. Just rotate it and take it out, and then wash it and then put it back. So I'll just clean it, wash it, and then put it back. Okay, so now that I have removed this filter, there is one screw here and one screw there. I'll remove these two screws and this mesh will come out. Let's see how it goes. So this has come off, and I will clean that part also because there is some gunk and dirt there too, especially this one, this area. So once I clean it, rinse it, I'll show it again to you. You can see it. It's a little bit gross, but have a look. Let me do the rest of the cleaning, and I'll show you after cleaning. So to clean it, I have used an old toothbrush, dishwasher detergent, and this strainer is first cleaned. And then this other strainer, one of them is called the ultra fine strainer and the other one is called just the mesh strainer. After doing that, I have used the same old toothbrush and some detergent to clean the areas under both these strainers and remove all the gunk. And the work has been completed. So now the cleaning has been done, as you can see here. And this filter also, have a look how dirty it was before. Now I'm going to install everything back. So we'll start off with this. Just place it like this. This lock needs to be rinsed. It has been rinsed, and it, as you can see here, this is how it looks like. So it can easily be screwed in. Here it is. Screw it hand tight. Screw it and hand tight, and that's it. This filter goes in here. Lock it. There is an arrow here which lines up with this arrow, lines up with this arrow on the mesh, and we are done. So the work has been completed. Now I'll just run it once just to make sure everything is fine, and the job is done. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.